Okay, so have you ever felt like you're drowning in social media? Like it's just, you're constantly chasing your tail, trying to keep up with messages and comments and everything flying at you from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, like everywhere. And then on top of that, you're supposed to somehow magically turn those interactions into actual sales.
Yeah, I get that it can feel overwhelming trying to manage it all.
Right. And that's why we're diving into this today, this BotSocial AI thing, because it promises to be like this secret weapon for automating so much of that social media grind and actually turning those conversations into, real money.
And the idea itself is pretty intriguing. Like imagine an AI-powered chatbot that basically steps in as your virtual assistant across all your social media platforms, engaging with your audience, capturing leads, guiding people towards making a purchase, all happening automatically.
Yeah, it's that autopilot thing that really jumps out at me.
Yeah.
Like the idea that your marketing and customer support could be running 24/7 even while you're, sleeping or doing other things.
Exactly. And what's really interesting is that BotSocial AI is designed to connect those different pieces, right? It's not just about engagement or just about capturing leads. It's about managing that whole process from initial interaction to actually making a sale.
So let's break this down a bit. First up, we have this AI-powered visitor engagement. And from what we've seen, it sounds like this thing is constantly on alert, instantly responding to messages and comments no matter what time it is.
Yeah, that's key. You never miss an opportunity to connect with someone because in the online world, that first response time can make a huge difference.
Absolutely. And then it gets even more powerful with this lead capture and conversion feature. Because it's not just about sending out a generic reply. It's about actually guiding people through these interactive AI chat flows to collect their information and move them closer to becoming a customer.
Right. It's almost like having a virtual salesperson working for you 24/7, qualifying leads and nurturing those relationships automatically.
Okay, so now we're talking effortless product promotion and sales. So these automated chat sequences can actually showcase your products, recommend things that people might be interested in based on their responses, and even guide them through the entire purchase process.
Exactly. It's all about making it super easy for people to buy directly through social media. And because it's all automated, it can happen at any time.
And then there's this 24/7 AI customer support. And
Yeah.
that's a game changer, especially for smaller businesses or solopreneurs who can't afford a dedicated support team.
Absolutely. Being able to handle those frequently asked questions and basic customer issues automatically frees up so much time and energy.
Now, I've always been a little skeptical of chatbots because they often sound so robotic and impersonal. But BotSocial AI claim to have cracked that code with these smart human-like AI conversations.
Yeah, they've made some impressive strides in natural language processing. So the AI can learn from each interaction and get better at providing those context-aware responses that actually sound human.
And being able to manage all of this across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even your website, all from one AI-powered dashboard. It just sounds like a dream in terms of saving time and effort.
Yeah, it's all about simplifying your workflow and giving you a central hub for managing everything.
Okay, so this AI-powered surveys and feedback thing is pretty cool too. Automatically collecting customer insights to improve your products and services and build that loyalty.
Yeah, gathering feedback can be such a hassle, but it's so valuable. And this makes it completely effortless.
And then there's the integrations. Seamless integration with Zapier CRMs like customer relationship management software, Google Sheets, e-commerce platforms. I mean, that's key for making this all work seamlessly with your existing systems.
Exactly. It's about connecting the dots and automating those data flows so everything runs smoothly.
And of course, we can't forget about automated lead follow-ups and reminders because let's be honest, how many times do we let those potential deals slip through the cracks just because we forget to follow up?
It happens all the time. But with this feature, the AI takes care of that for you. It keeps those leads warm and engaged and increases your chances of actually closing the deal.
And finally, we have advanced analytics. So you can actually see how the chatbot's performing track conversions and get real-time data to optimize your marketing. That's super powerful.
Data is everything in marketing, and this gives you those insights you need to make better decisions and get better results.
Okay, so that's the core platform. But there are also these upgrades they call OTOs. The first one is OTO1, the premium edition. And one of the big things here is this white labeling option.
Yeah, that's huge. It means you can remove the bot social AI branding and present the chatbot as your own technology. So it looks way more professional and builds trust with your audience.
And it also promises 100x more profits. through these premium features. Plus, you get access to Zapier integration, which opens up a whole world of possibilities for connecting with thousands of other apps.
Yeah, that Zapier integration is a game changer for automation. You can create all these custom workflows and really fine-tune things to match your specific needs.
There are also advanced outbound webhooks for even deeper data syncing e-commerce integration, so you can accept payments directly through the chat using things like PayPal and Stripe API integrations for those who want to get really technical, and an AI-powered content generator that can help you write high-converting marketing copy.
It's a pretty substantial upgrade in terms of features and flexibility.
Then there's OTO2, the Unlimited Edition, and as the name suggests, it removes pretty much all the limits on the platform. Unlimited chatbots, conversations, leads social media automation, data syncing, AI responses, e-commerce automation, you name it. They even say unlimited profit potential.
For businesses that are scaling up or dealing with high volumes of customer interactions, this could be a really smart investment.
Now, OTO3 is the website chatbot. And this one focuses on transforming your website into a 247 AI sales and support machine. And get this, the AI can actually be trained on your website content just by providing URLs or uploading PDFs.
Yeah, that's incredibly efficient. It means the chatbot can instantly become an expert on your business and answer questions accurately.
It also features advanced AI natural language processing conversational memory, so it remembers past interactions for a more personalized experience support across websites, WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger, custom knowledge bases, branding options for your chatbot, CRM integrations, automated FAQs, and detailed analytics.
It's a really comprehensive solution for anyone who wants to boost their website's engagement and conversion rates.
OTO4 is the done-for-you edition. And this is for people who want a completely hands-off experience. They handle the entire setup and management of your BotSocial AI account, social media integration, chatbot, setup, broadcasts, subscriber management, everything. They basically say you can skip straight to the profits.
Yeah, it's perfect for those who might not be as tech-savvy or simply don't have the time to do it all themselves.
And the final upgrade is OTO5, the reseller edition. This gives you the rights to resell BotSocial AI and keep 100% of the commission.
That's a great opportunity for anyone looking to generate some passive income or build a business around this kind of technology.
And on that note, the material also mentions this high-converting sales funnel and a 50% affiliate commission throughout the funnel. So there's definitely potential there for those interested in promoting BotSocial AI.
Definitely. And those commissions can really add up, especially with a product that solves such a big pain point for so many businesses.
So overall, BotSocial AI is positioning itself as this ultimate solution for taking control of your social media, automating all those essential tasks, and really turning those interactions into actual results.
Exactly. It's about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging the power of AI to streamline your business and boost those profits.
So for everyone listening right now, I want you to really think about how much time you're currently spending on social media. Answering messages, managing comments, trying to keep up with everything. Could you be doing something more valuable with that time? What if you could automate even a fraction of those tasks and free yourself up to focus on the bigger picture? It's definitely food for thought.
Absolutely. It's all about finding those tools that can help you optimize your time and resources and ultimately achieve your goals faster.
All right, that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.